Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Curl Rehab. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload a video. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate your support. So in this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a review on a Bath & Body Works hair mask. So let's just get into the video. So guys, this hair mask is a hair mask I bought from Bath & Body Works. This is the Intense Repair Coconut and Plus Protein and Vitamin E. This is how it looks. It was $10.50. It has a sweet coconut scent, but I'm gonna tell you what it reminds me of, guys. It reminds me of the Palmer's. Palmer's has a coconut. It was something I used to use from Palmer's that was like a hair product. It was a Palmer's like coconut. Either it was a hair lotion or some kind of. I'll see if I can insert a picture of it. But I used to use this like back in the day, this Palmer's coconut styling cream or something like that. And it smells kind of like on the same, it smells kind of like how that smelled. Just like a sweet coconutty smell. And to show you guys the consistency, I just want to show you that it's kind of like, it's very creamy. I'll just say it's very creamy, but it's actually, it's got some thickness to it too though. It's like, so the name of this is Intense Repair, and I agree that this is definitely an intense deep conditioner. This is a great deep conditioner to use when your hair is feeling dry, dull, damaged, and needs some intense moisturizing, some intense nutrients to just penetrate the hair shaft. This is definitely a deep conditioner that I use when I am feeling like my hair really is thirsty and really needs some intense deep conditioning. This is a product that I definitely grab. And it's awesome. Like, I can't believe it's from Bath & Body Works, y'all. I just can't get over it. It's from Bath & Body Works, but this is really some good stuff. It says it's good for split ends, breakage, heat, and styling. So pretty much it's just good for that dry, damaged hair. Just, this is a perfect product for that. Even like if your hair is chemically treated, like if you have dye or, you know, any type of chemical in your hair, this is probably a great deep conditioner to try to really get that hair back, get that moisture and that nutrients back in your hair. So this is definitely good, y'all. I'm on the back of it, it says that it is pretty much, you can put this in and let your hair, let this product sit in your hair for 5 to 7 minutes. When I deep condition my hair, y'all, I go from 30 minutes to an hour. That's how I usually like to deep condition my hair. So when I'm applying this, I'm always applying this and I leave it in for about at least 30 minutes at minimum. So when I leave it in my hair for that 30 minutes and I rinse it out, my hair just feels so soft. It's just so moisturized. Even like, I noticed that my curls have a nice shine and a nice definition to it before I even put product in my hair when I'm using this. I think I love it so much because of the coconut. I love anything, like, seems like my hair loves coconut products. It's like anything that I use with coconut products, I get my results are just so amazing. Like, my hair thrives when I put coconut products in my hair. It just, my hair just loves coconut. Now I know some people don't have the same results when they use products with coconut in it, but me, my hair loves coconut. So that's why I always, when I see like deep conditioners and stuff like this, I'm always getting like the coconut versus the other ones, because I know coconut responds very well to my hair. So I think that's why I love it so much. But it just really, y'all, this is just a really good deep conditioner, and I would recommend you trying it. checking it out for yourself. So yeah guys, it completes this video. That was just me sharing with you guys my thoughts on this Bath & Body Works hair mask. I definitely am a fan of the Bath & Body Works deep conditioner, this one in particular. I am curious to try the other ones because I've got so much good results with this one. I'm just excited to try the other ones, but I'm kind of waiting to use this one first. Like I said guys, they have more of these at Bath & Body Works. Let me know, comment down below if you have tried some of Bath & Body Works hair mask. How did you like the results? Like, how did you like using their products? Have you used this one in particular? Please let me know if you've used this one in particular. Let me know how you feel about this product down in the comment section. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video guys. I just wanted to share with you guys like just a review on this deep conditioner, let you know my thoughts on that product, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful in some way. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.